Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your Toyota Prius oil light. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, use the display buttons located on your steering wheel to navigate through the menu options. You'll need to find either the Trip A or Trip B display on your multi-information screen. This initial step is crucial for accessing the reset function. Once you've found the correct trip display, press and hold the auto/trip button. Keep holding it down for several seconds. You will notice the maintenance light on your dashboard display begin to flash. This indicates that the reset process has started. Continue to hold the button until the light stops flashing and completely disappears, confirming the reset is successful. After the maintenance light vanishes from your display, you can release the auto/trip button. To confirm the reset, turn off your vehicle's ignition completely. Then, restart the engine as you normally would. Observe your dashboard carefully to ensure the oil maintenance light remains off. If it does, you have successfully reset the light and are ready to drive. If the oil maintenance light reappears or doesn't reset on your first attempt, simply repeat the entire procedure, paying close attention to each step. Sometimes, a slight delay in holding the button can affect the reset. For specific details tailored to your Prius model, always refer to your owner's manual. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your car fresh and clean. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.